Are you ready for 2024? It's closer than you think, and it's bringing along a whole new set of challenges and opportunities. As we inch closer to the future, it's crucial to understand that the skills we need to thrive are constantly evolving. And no, we're not just talking about knowing the latest tech buzzwords or being able to code. We're talking about skills that are fundamental, skills that transcend industries and career paths, skills that will help you navigate the rapid changes, seize opportunities, and overcome challenges that the year 2024 is set to bring. From sharpening your digital literacy to honing your emotional intelligence, from embracing adaptability to mastering effective communication, these skills are more relevant than ever. So let's gear up and explore the top 10 skills that you need to master for 2024. The first skill on our list is digital literacy. You might ask, why is it so important? Well, in a world that's increasingly going digital, staying updated with the latest technology isn't just a neat trick, it's a necessity. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career journey, having a firm grasp of relevant software and tools can be a game changer. Imagine you're in a meeting, and a colleague mentions a new tool that's revolutionizing your industry. If you're digitally literate, you'll be able to jump right into the conversation, contributing ideas and showing that you're on the cutting edge. But if you're unfamiliar with the tool, you may find yourself sidelined, struggling to keep up. Being digitally literate doesn't mean you have to know everything about every piece of software out there. It's about staying curious, keeping up with key trends, and being comfortable enough with technology to learn quickly when something new comes along. Remember, technology evolves every day, and so should you. Next up, we have critical thinking. Imagine you're at a crossroads with multiple paths stretching out before you. Each path represents a different choice, a different decision to make. This is where the power of critical thinking steps in. It's not just about making a choice, but about understanding the hows and whys behind that choice. Critical thinking is the ability to objectively analyze information and make an informed decision. It's about questioning, analyzing, and evaluating every piece of information that comes your way, rather than accepting it at face value. It's a skill that becomes more and more crucial as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the professional world. Whether it's assessing a new business strategy, evaluating a complex project, or simply choosing the best approach to a problem, critical thinking empowers you to make decisions with confidence and clarity. In the end, it's not about the decision you make, but how you make it. Moving on, let's talk about adaptability. In an ever-evolving world, being adaptable is no longer a mere advantage. It's a necessity. It's about embracing change, not just tolerating it. It's about being open to learning new technologies, new ways of thinking, and new perspectives. It's about being ready to let go of the old and make way for the new, to pivot when circumstances demand it. Whether it's a change in your professional environment or a shift in your personal life, adaptability allows you to navigate the uncertain tides with confidence. It's about adjusting your sails to meet the changing winds, about being fluid and flexible in your approach. In the age of rapid technological advancements, those who can adapt to new tools and systems have the upper hand. They are the ones who will thrive in the face of change and uncertainty. Remember, change is the only constant, and adaptability is your best bet to tackle it. The fourth skill on our list is communication skills. In the grand scheme of life, nothing quite bridges the gap like effective communication. Be it verbal or written, words possess the power to connect, influence, and inspire. In the professional world, communication skills are not just about conveying your ideas. It's about understanding the needs and perspectives of others, fostering a sense of trust and respect. Whether it's a quick email to a colleague, a presentation to stakeholders, or a chat with a client, effective communication can be the difference between success and failure. In the realm of personal interactions, clear and compassionate communication paves the way for deeper connections, resolving conflicts, and fostering mutual understanding. It's about listening, empathizing, and expressing oneself with clarity and respect. Remember, communication isn't a one-way street. It's a bridge that connects people, ideas, and emotions. Good communication is about understanding, not just speaking or writing. Next, we have emotional intelligence. This skill is all about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as being able to empathize with the emotions of others. It's a crucial aspect of both our personal and professional lives that often goes overlooked. Think about it. Have you ever had a day where your emotions got the better of you, resulting in a less than ideal outcome? Or perhaps you've been in a situation where you just couldn't understand why someone was acting the way they were. These are instances where emotional intelligence comes into play. In the professional realm, emotional intelligence can be the difference between a good leader and a great one. It's the ability to read the room, to understand what your team is feeling, and to respond in a way that shows you care. On a personal level, it can help you build stronger, healthier relationships. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, to truly understand their feelings and perspectives. Emotional intelligence is not just about being smart, but also about being human. The seventh skill on our list is problem solving. In an ever-changing world, the ability to solve problems efficiently is not just a skill, it's a necessity. It's about stepping into the chaos of the unknown, breaking down complex issues into manageable parts, and finding effective solutions. How do we do that? By developing systematic approaches. Instead of a haphazard trial and error method, a systematic approach is about understanding the problem, planning a solution, implementing it, then reviewing the results. It's a cycle of continuous improvement that reduces wastage of time and resources. To be a solution finder, you need to be a keen observer, a patient listener, and an innovative thinker. You need to ask the right questions, create a strategy that works, and learn from every success and failure. Every problem is a puzzle waiting to be solved, a challenge waiting to be overcome. Every problem has a solution, you just need to find it. Moving on, let's talk about data literacy. In this fast-paced digital world, the importance of understanding and interpreting data cannot be overstated. It's like learning a new language, the language of the 21st century. Data is everywhere, from the ads you see on your social media feeds to the recommendations on your favorite streaming platform. It's what businesses use to make decisions, what governments use to formulate policies, and what scientists use to make predictions. But data, in its raw form, is just numbers. It's the interpretation of these numbers that makes all the difference. With data literacy, you can decode these numbers, uncover patterns, draw insights, and make informed decisions. You see, data literacy isn't just for data scientists or statisticians, it's for everyone. Because in this age of information, being data literate means being informed, being empowered. Data literacy is not about numbers, it's about the story they tell. The ninth skill on our list is networking. In an ever-evolving professional landscape, the ability to build and foster meaningful connections can be a game changer. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards at a conference. It's about cultivating relationships that can open doors to new opportunities, spark innovative ideas, and foster collaborations. Think of networking as a two-way street. It's not just about what you can gain, but also about what you can offer. Your unique skills, experiences, and perspectives can be invaluable to others. By sharing your expertise, you're not only strengthening your connections, but also enhancing your own professional credibility. Remember, networking isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process of building and maintaining relationships. It's about staying in touch, checking in, and showing interest in the successes and challenges of those in your network. Networking is not just about making connections, it's about making the right ones. Next, we have continuous learning. In an ever-evolving world, staying static is not an option. As we sail into the year 2024, sharpening our skills and expanding our knowledge is more crucial than ever. Cultivating a mindset of continuous learning is like owning a compass in this ocean of change. It helps us navigate through the waves of new technologies, trends, and societal shifts. It equips us with the ability to adapt, innovate, and evolve, ensuring we're not left behind in the race of progress. Continuous learning isn't about mastering every new tool or technology that comes our way. It's about developing an inherent curiosity, a drive to understand, and a willingness to grow. It's about being open to new ideas, embracing change, and turning challenges into opportunities for growth. In the end, it's important to remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Every step we take is a step towards growth, no matter how small. Finally, we have resilience. It's the quality that allows us to confront adversity, dust ourselves off, and leap back into the fray. It's the grit that keeps us moving forward, no matter how hard the wind blows against us. It's the tenacity that turns setbacks into comebacks. Resilience is more than just an attribute. It's a mindset. It's about maintaining a positive attitude, even when things are looking down. It's about looking at failure not as a dead end, but as a detour on the road to success. It's about understanding that every stumble is a chance to learn, to grow, to become stronger. In the face of rapid change and uncertainty, resilience is more crucial than ever. It's the anchor that keeps us grounded when the seas get rough. It's the lighthouse that guides us through the storm. After all, resilience is not about avoiding falls, but about getting back up. So, there you have it, the top 10 skills for 2024. Digital literacy, because staying adept with technology is no longer optional. Then we have critical thinking, the ability to analyze information and make informed decisions. Coupled with adaptability, the capacity to embrace change and quickly adjust to new situations or technologies. Communication skills, both verbal and written, remain paramount in all aspects of life. Emotional intelligence, to understand and manage your emotions while empathizing with others. Problem-solving skills to develop systematic approaches to solving complex problems efficiently. Data literacy, because understanding and interpreting data is now a valuable skill. Networking, to build and maintain professional connections that could enhance opportunities. Continuous learning, cultivating a mindset of ongoing learning to keep up with evolving trends. And finally, resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks and maintain a positive mindset. Gear Up 2024 awaits. Are you ready?